Hey guys, and it's time to do the most awaited speed test comparison, the Xiaomi Mi A2 versus the Redmi Note 5 Pro. And both of these phones are running their latest operating system, that is Oreo 8.1, and both of these phones are having 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. The Mi A2 runs stock Android, while we have Xiaomi MIUI 9.5 on the Redmi Note 5 Pro. So yeah, let's see which one wins this race. Okay, so starting things with the booting test in 3, 2 and 1. There's the Android One branding, while there's the Mi logo. And the Mi A2 is having Snapdragon 660 processor, while the Redmi Note 5 Pro is having Snapdragon 636 CPU. So let's see which one wins this race. Really excited, guys. Okay, so the Mi A2 clear winner, guys. While the Redmi Note 5 Pro a little bit late here. So we have similar applications that will be used only for testing, and let's connect the smartphones to the same Wi-Fi network. There's no network or SIM card inserted, guys. And for all these wallpapers, you can just check our Telegram link. There you will find all these wallpapers, and stay tuned, subscribe for more videos like this. And there is no application running in the background. So starting things with the system dialer in 3, 2 and 1. The Mi A2 clearly faster, guys, while the Redmi Note 5 Pro a little bit late, not a huge difference. Okay, so Messenger in 3, 2, 1. I think both were equally same, no difference at all. Both were faster, animations are smooth in both of these phones. Let's open the camera, here we go. Okay, so the Mi A2 clearly faster, guys. The interface was first there in the Xiaomi Mi A2. Now let's open the settings, here we go. The Mi A2 clear faster, while the Redmi Note 5 Pro little bit late here. Time for Play Store. Mi A2 faster in loading all the applications listing, while Note 5 Pro again late. Now we will open few third-party applications and games. Let's start with opening few social media application. First off, Discord in 3, 2, 1. Okay, Mi A2 faster again. It's time for Facebook in 3, 2, 1. Mi A2 way faster. Let's open WeChat. Mi A2 faster here, while the Note 5 Pro, not a huge difference, guys. Open WhatsApp. Both are equally same, no difference at all. Time for Snapchat. Okay, so Mi A2 again faster. There's a little difference between the speed of both of these phones. Now it's time for Instagram, and here we go. The Mi A2 again faster. Okay, so now let's open few games. There we will see the real speed difference. Let's start with Auto. Here we go. Let's see which one wins. And Mi A2 has completed the splash screen, while the Note 5 Pro also not far behind. The Mi A2 clear winner. You can see the speed difference, guys. Tap to start, and time for Angry Birds in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so let's see. The Mi A2 faster again. Alright, so let's open Temple Run. Here we go. The Mi A2 already started loading, while Redmi Note 5 Pro was a bit late. So I think not a huge difference, guys. But the Mi A2 definitely faster when it comes to speed and it comes to loading speed. Xiaomi has literally done major improvements in terms of speed, optimizations also. So let's open Subway Surfers. Here we go. Already started loading in the Mi A2, while the Note 5 Pro not far behind. Okay, so let's open PUBG at last. Here we go. That won't be shocker at all if the Mi A2 wins because it is speedy. The Snapdragon 660 versus the 636. Definitely Xiaomi has done incredible job, and I really love the stock Android, the optimization Xiaomi has done. We will also see the RAM management. Let's see which holds the application. Okay, for checking for updates. That was a really close difference, guys, not a huge difference at all. The Redmi Note 5 Pro, also a great smartphone. Snapdragon 636 is almost toe to toe against the 660, so great. Okay, so let's do the RAM management test. Let's see which smartphone has refreshed any applications or not. Starting things with Facebook, here we go. Okay, so the Mi A2 has reloaded this application, Facebook, while the Redmi Note 5 Pro going great right now. Let's open Discord. Okay, so Mi A2 loaded the Discord again. Snapchat. So the Mi A2 loaded the Snapchat again. The RAM management seems pretty poor, guys. Now let's open Play Store. Both are there. And it's time for Temple Run. Okay, so both are there. Angry Birds. Seriously? The Mi A2 actually loading up the Angry Birds again. The RAM management is pretty poor, guys. I don't know what Xiaomi has done in terms of RAM management. Looks pretty poor. I mean, I was not expecting this at all. Settings. Both of these phones loaded up the settings again. And time for camera. Okay, so the Redmi Note 5 Pro actually loaded up the camera application again, while it was there in the Xiaomi Mi A2 already. Let's open Alto. Both of these phones are loading up Alto again. In future, Xiaomi should bring smartphones with 6GB of RAM because I don't think 4GB of RAM is enough holding these applications. And at last, open PUBG. So the Redmi Note 5 Pro actually loaded up the PUBG again, and that is a serious RAM management issue, guys. Both of these are having RAM management issues. I think Xiaomi is going to solve them in future with the software updates, and maybe because of 4GB of RAM, because I think PUBG is a huge game. They can't just handle this huge game in that 4GB of memory. Okay, so this is it with the speed test. If you compare both of these phones, I think both are great in terms of the performance, the opening speed, but the RAM management seems pretty poor in both of these phones. Maybe that is because of Xiaomi's optimization. I don't know. I will be doing a speed test comparison between the Mi A2 versus the Zenfone Max Pro M1, the Moto G6, and Samsung phone also. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. I will be also doing a camera comparison pretty soon. So thanks for watching again, and peace out.